Dear friends, today I want to share with you a very good cough syrup recipe. It is very easy to prepare. To do this, we need 2-3 nettle plants. You need to chop it a little. Nettle increase the body's resistance to various bacteria and viruses. Nettle syrup will help you cope with a lingering cough and strengthen your immune system. Place in a saucepan and add 200 ml of water. The next ingredient is cane sugar. We will need 7 or 8 tablespoons. Cane sugar helps to quick and effectively eliminate dry, non-productive cough. Put it in a bowl and stir. Another ingredient is cloves. Take 3 buds. The active substance in cloves help fight viruses and bacteria that attack the lungs. Add them to our mixture and cook it for 15-20 minutes. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss new useful recipe. Next, we need to strain our remedy and let it cool completely. You need to take 1 tablespoon up to 5 times per day. Be healthy and don't get sick.